Hi, this is Art with OCRV. So we've got this bus here that's been turned into a mobile dental lab, and we've got a customer that does mobile dental work, and they bought this unit. And so what we're going to do is we're going to strip down all the old wrap and re-graphic it and wrap it with all their logos and everything. Also on the interior of this unit, it's got dental chairs. They do fillings and teeth cleaning and stuff. So we're going to go in and refresh the inside of the vehicle. So anybody out there that's got commercial dental lab, massage therapy, you want to turn your unit into a bar, we can help you do that. So come see us at OCRV, and we're happy to help you with your specialty project.